Opening a subset of an assembly is now possible in Creo. Users can filter assemblies based on different attributes, lifecycle states, or visualization boundaries in the commonspace of Windchill. In this video, you will see a filtered version of a top-level assembly be added to the workspace based on lifecycle states. This assembly will be missing several sub-assemblies that were included in the original visualization at the beginning of the video, but with this new feature, users can open a subset of the top-level assembly in Creo. Once the subset is opened, users can see which components are excluded in the model tree. Users can control what is used here by toggling what components are pulled into the workspace. If additional components are needed, users can add them accordingly. This enhancement allows users to easily open a partial set of components into Creo without bringing in the entire assembly. This also ensures a faster retrieval of desired objects in an assembly, and users can work more efficiently.